Everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you show your FPS or your ping on Rocket League. Okay, it's pretty easy, and I'll go show how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to go onto settings. Once you go onto settings, you're going to go onto interface, and once you go onto interface, you're going to navigate all the way down to something called performance graph. Okay, now when you pick on performance graphs, it's most likely going to be none. So once you click on none, okay, you can actually check. You can actually just see all of these things. Now, if you want to show your FPS, I would really highly recommend to use performance summary. As you can see, FPS, frame, on game, and render, and GPU. Now, do not use the performance graphs because it's actually going to bother you a lot. Okay, as you can see, it's going to bother you a lot in game. So I really highly recommend you can show a performance summary. This is basically how you can show your FPS, your frame rate, your game rendering, and your GPU. Now, if you want to show your network, the same thing goes. Network summary, because a network summary has a lot of things that shows up. So if you pick even short, it's going to really bother you. So and long, like, come on, what are you doing? So I really would highly recommend to use network summary. Now, if you want to show both, you can't actually in Rocket League. So if you want to show both, is actually you can either use you can put network summary like this and use either Nvidia's or AMD's overlays, and there you can actually show your FPS. So yeah, guys, that was it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.